Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crop a video using the Filmora mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Filmora app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your main screen, tap on New Project. Now choose the video you want to crop from your gallery, then import to start edit. Tap on Import. Your video will now appear on the timeline. Tap on the video clip so it becomes active and highlighted. At the bottom toolbar, swipe left or right until you see the crop option. It might also appear as crop and zoom depending on the version. Tap on it. You will now see a box appear around your video. Use your fingers to drag the corners of the box and select the area you want to keep. You can also pinch or zoom to resize the crop box as needed. Take a moment to adjust it exactly how you want. You will see a preview of what the crop video will look like. Once you are happy with how it looks, tap the check mark or the OK button to apply the crop. Now your video on the timeline is cropped. To save your video, just tap the export icon at the top right, choose your resolution and export setting. Then tap save, and that's it. That's how you crop a video in Filmora mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.